Have we been to Aftermath? I think we did Aftermath. No, we didn't do Aftermath. Keep going. Keep going. And you choose this time. Let the violence begin. I believe in our body. Just want all the viewers to know the reason I ain't put up another Cold Trance episode yet up on YouTube yet, because I was the Fanpage show. I'm focused on the Fanpage show. So after my mid-season finale, I will bring the Cold Trance videos back up. I still have them though. I just woo. Cause well, you know what? We gonna pretend that one didn't happen. You know it did, but you know what? I believe, and yes, I know that we are gonna get Flawless to 10. I believe we here. We gonna do this.
We might as well turn it off because we already won.
Man, they ain't one. Look, look, they ain't one. That's 10 right there. See that? They ain't one. That's 10.
I see 10.
I see 10. I see 10 too, bro. I see 10 too.
I forgot what this map is.
Brian being so
You want to go on this side or you want to go on the other side?
Let's go on this side. Stay on this side. I feel safer on this side for some reason. All right, let's build it. Let's build the bridge.
Base established.
All right.
Alright, green's over there. Alright, so, okay, here's the bad thing.
What's the bad thing?
Green stuff right here.
Balls!
Right there.
Okay, we can work with this.
Right here, which is
we can work with this. We can make this happen.
Side that there's nothing from there.
Ignore it, bro. When there's a wheel, there's always waves. When I mean wave, I mean best stay way in here, cause I'm scared. Just watch all doors, watch all corners.
They're coming!
Here we go.
Oh, I forgot. This is one of the elemental maps. I forgot.
Dang.
These things existed.
Woo! Cold Trance, baby.
Hey, I watched that happen on my screen. That was amazing.
Cold Trance.
Like
They pissed.
right
They're pissed. They are absolutely pissed at us.
Ow, ow, what's happening? Getting shot.
We are getting shot. That's what's happening. No! No! Ah!
Terrence, no!
Going into overtime.
Okay, we good. We're still in this.
I didn't mean to buy that.
What you buy?
Dang it!
Use it! Use it! Use it! Just be careful. Let's go. Woo!
I'm gonna die.
You gonna live? You gonna live? Get him! Get him! Get him!
Right through the pain.
What? Okay. We're good.
One. We gonna count it as 2.
Come on, let's go. Fall us to 10, baby. We can do this. That's what I'm talking about, right here. Cold Trance. Woo! We'll take what we want. 2 left. I feel like if we go out there, it's dead, man.
Who's inside?
Don't let him inside! No! No! Oh, no! I am so scared! I couldn't do nothing! I'm sorry! Okay, I can do this. I can do this.
Why didn't you kill him? Why didn't you kill him?
I was working on it!
He was there! Oh, God! Oh, run!
No! The Harry trap! I'm sorry, I got scared. I'll write that man as soon as I go to his father's office. Wait a minute.
Oh man. Oh.
That was bad on my part. Yeah, that was bad on my part. Ooh, this is a good spot. We got both. Okay, we got 2 on both sides. That was bad on my part, and I like to. I have to apologize for that one. The body got scared. I was like, I'm gonna go for it. Now I got scared. He gonna come get me. It's like all the emotion just came in at once.
You could at least kill the second one.
I coulda. I was like, forget that. I'm gonna save my boy.
He was down in the other.
I know. I admit my faults. I admit my faults. That was all on me. I apologize. The Cold Trance. I had felt the name.
It was me too. I went down. I shouldn't have went down, but.
It's okay. It's okay. We got no. Go away, Ticker.
Going flawless.
Let's go. Flawless, baby. Woo! Let's do this. Cold Trance. Where that Ticker at, though? I'm scared. Nope. Not today. Coming in hot.
Terrence, what do you call a ticker that loves money?
What do we call that?
A gold ticker.
Whoa! No! Love that body. Get on board! Get Trance on the face! No!
What is this madness? I don't understand.
I don't know, bro.
Let me change my batteries.
Oh my lord. Okay. Let us gather our thoughts here. Bro, oh my god, what just happened? No, those suckers went here. I don't know what happened. I went chainsaw, trying to get my boy up. Then I died. We both died again. We just got raped by some wretches. You don't get no worse than that. Raped by some wretches.
Yeah.
Flawless to 10. Let's go. Flawless to 10.
So, Terrence, guess what?
What's that? Flawless to 10? Let's do it.
Flawless to 10!
Flawless to 10. Let's go. Okay, I think we should go back where we was. Yeah. Go ahead.
Base established.
Where we was at was butt raping season. That was butt raping season for
Where
them.
did we get butt rate the fastest at? I think it was the second one.
The second one, yeah. The second one we got butt raped fast.
So
I think
we're gonna stay here so we don't get butt raped.
again. Okay, again. That plan sounds bulletproof. Cause we did good. Like okay. No. We did it. We gonna do better. We ain't gonna do good.
To the last two.
We did right.
The
You know?
wretches.
The wretches just the right. They just said, "Hey, dark meat, get him."
Dark meat. I can't. Dark meat.
Dark meat, go get him. Oh God, no, run!
Dang it, T. He didn't even scream. What happened?
I don't know, run.
Hit the button.
Hit the button. Please hit the button. 1, 2, 3. Monsters times 3.
Boom.
Chakalaka. Still hit that ticker. Change my guns right quick. God, that was. Oh yeah, monster.
Wow. It's okay. I hear a couple of them. There's more than one.
Man, that's what I sound. Go back.
3 more.
Come on, I'm ready for Coach and ready for you this time, baby. Bring that body over here. Oh. Please tell me you found him. You found him. Woo! Got him.
Only
2 left. Come on. I ain't scared of no ghosts. Maybe that one right there shooting at me. Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
He's inside again. Ow! Ow!
Not today. Not today. Not today. Yes.
Yeah!
Let's go. Flawless to 10, baby. Flawless to 10. We gonna live. Flawless to 10.
fortified.
Oh my God, that was scary. I ain't gonna lie, I got scared there.
Cancel kicked me. That wasn't nice.
No, I was not expecting that either, Red. I won't be real with you on that one. I was not expecting that to happen.
I was just like, oh, he coming inside the base, so I'ma hide behind the cover so he doesn't shoot.
Look.
What does he do?
I'm saying,
He left the boot to my cheek.
right, I'm saying he gonna come at me. I'm steady shooting at the thing. Next thing I know, he just leave me alone, go
I'm
after
like,
you.
you know what? I'm just gonna aim over and I'm gonna bow, but nah, he was just like, nah, player, you can't do that. Like,
I know. It hurts. Ain't taking no chances.
Sniper is a go.
Woo!
Wow, that was almost my face.
That was
He
too
killed
close.
one that was coming right to the base too, like he's right
Eee, get the juice. No, I got a couple of those shots on. Okay. Be careful.
there. That was just shadow.
Look out, Red!
Oh no!
Get the juice! You good?
You the
Where you
coach.
go?
You the coach.
Woo! You the cold? You the cold, man. We the cold. Cold train, stick together. Shoot, watch out surround us. Woo! Cold train, baby.
Ticker.
Wait there. Fall back. I hear him too.
I see it.
I hear.
Coming from the right entrance.
More. Yeah, get that junk of the juice.
Fanpage.
Ah! Yeah, let's go.
Assist.
Love that body. Jesus, they're trying to kill me. Kinda wish we had Sonic now. Having a third person would have been great. Good job, bruh. Woo! Cold train, baby. Okay, here we go. Doing good in life. Doing good.
No.
Whoa!
Yeah, get the chainsaw.
Get the chainsaw to the face! Love it!
5 left.
Where that ticket at? Come on here. Get something for that body. Whoa! Watch out! Watch out for that. We good? We good? Ran love that body.
That leaves 4.
But it's skin.
Okay. Got 4 left. We got this. Ah!
Your
See
shotgun
you.
somewhere.
Oh yeah, yeah. He right outside the window. Be careful.
Get out my way! Ow!
Window! Back! No! Get up! He did. We got. Okay, we're good. We're doing good. 2 left. Let's go. One of them coming. We got red. Ah! Get the chainsaw!
That's my boy.
Get the face! Yeah! Oh, no! The chainsaw wins it. Woo! Chainsaw! Alright, we're doing good in life. Woo! Cold train, baby.
All is the tea.
False
Time
10.
to fortify.
Alright, got some frags. Help us out a little bit.
Mag sent to repair.
Prepared. Ray, how much money do you have on you?
I got 6. I'm waiting so that I could get like a full upgrade.
Okay, cool. We do it that way then. Got grenades up. I'm about to.
No, I'm gonna put one out.
That's good. Alright, Lances. Hurry up, break that body back in here.
I was just checking to see if there's anything else.
Okay. Stupid tickers.
Yeah,
Frag.
hit the button.
Sniper attack is
Button has been hit.
Hey, got
I'll
one.
take it.
Oh, it
Ah.
was a ticker.
That still should count. Alright, let's go. Floss to 10. Come on. Come get this juice.
Ticker coming somewhere.
I don't know, I'm scared now.
Fucking rich.
Here they come. The waiting is terrible. The waiting is terrible.
All I hear is.
Oh! Who that? Oh, get him! He going! Get him!
Wait! I'm coming back!
Oh my God! Yes! Ray, get back! Come on, Ray, get back! You can do it! Oh no! No! This has been terrible. Ray, you can do this! Bruh, you can't do this!
Tell me you can buy back in.
No, I cannot.
Where is he at?
Try to point him out.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go, I got him. And we have a butcher. Oh, guys, the flame boomer. Be careful, too. My assist. Bro, you got this. I believe in you. Make sure you grab my lancer. Get that ammo. Grab that ammo, bro.
Wait.
Hit the flame boomers. Hey. Doing good so far, bro. You're doing good, bro. You're doing good. Get back, Rick. Ah!
Sniper! The goddamn sniper!
Wow.
I wasn't even close!
Wow. He don't scope you. Let's go there. Ah.
Nowhere near!
God.
Flawless to 10.
Flawless to 10. Let's go. Flawless to 10, man. Where our base? Bruh, I'm just distracted. Where are we? Oh, wait. No. Wait. If we go there, we gonna get road rape. This way. We do look. No, look. If that wrench didn't come out of nowhere, I would be able to come back.
Mike's repair.
Give me. All right,
Flawless to 10.
bro. We gonna make it, bro. We got.
that shotgun.
I'm looking. Also, we got this. Look. We just gotta watch out for wrenches. And take it.
Squad deep. That. Oh,
My sis.
It's downtown, baby.
Careful, bro. Watch out for these wrenches. That's all we gonna do our best. Watch out for. Flamer again!
Through the spikes.
Flamer again!
Two things are coming through the spikes.
Bruh. Okay, who am I? I come in. Ooh!
It's go time, baby.
Dude, man, I love you. Thank you. Oh, he's outside. Thanks for the assist, though. My God, someone else coming through. Get ready. Dang, shoot me. We does have a frag right about now. My assist, let's go. No, get that juice. No, no. Oh no. Thank you. Okay. We're good.
Where did that other one land?
Hold on, got ski. You ran that hole nowhere close.
Did you see that?
Holding it down for the city. Let's go. No. You gonna live.
No, it hit me.
You gonna live today. Don't worry about it. You living. That's all that we care for. I thought if we turn around, it's gonna be bad for us. Where he at? I don't care about this.
Bruh. You know what I
What?
just realized?
Oh, Brad just took a shotgun on accident.
Wave over.
Keep going. False 10.
We got.
No. We started. No. I consider it false.
But we not flawless.
We gonna keep it false. We gonna do it. If we die, yes, we start over again.
Oh, yeah.
But we did not die. So we're good. Red, as you didn't take your shotgun. Ask them to take this flamer.
I'll take that.
Dang it, T.
No, I'll leave you mine. Nash.
Where you
Get my
going?
Nash, okay?
No. That's okay.
Take the Nash. Take it. No, you want it.
I'll take it. I got 2 shots left. When I waste them.
I will take this frag. Thank you very much. I'm gone. Don't feel safe. Whoa! We good! We live! Woo! Cold train, babies. Woo! Do another one. Get ready. I don't run now. Ooh, no!
Epic fail. Denied.
You have been denied. Where the other guy at? Oh my Jesus!
Oh
my God!
man.
That man, he said nope. If I'm gonna die, I'll take one with me. I see you. God dang, I'm ducking.
Oh God.
I am a ducking. Ah! That's how I like my beat dark. That did not sound right.
Pause on every level. God dang.
Look, I was in the moment. Don't judge me.
Time to
Oh
fly.
my God.
Yes.
In the moment. Oh my God. That thing.
Wow.
That's looking right. Bro,
Don't
you.
do that again.
Yeah, don't.
The man said it's upgraded.
Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm scared though. I'm so scared. If it is what I think it is, I'm scared.
Time's up. They're coming.
Ain't got time to wait, man. I'm about to use this thing right now.
You gotta let them simmer.
Guys.
Let 'em simmer. Give it 10, 9, 8.
8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hurry up, use that thing.
5,
Tiggers, red Tiggers!
Four.
Tiggers coming hot!
3.
Red Tiggers are coming!
Order strike, sure go.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Told you.
Ain't out the woods yet, Prentice. Oh! No! No! What's the duck? Grab another one! Hey, we're okay!
No, we're not.
We're not okay! Tick, tick, tick! Bro, that was so not fair. Get back! Back, Satan! Those shrinkers blew my grenade! Okay, I'm down. Right, I'm down, bro! Oh my god! I got a Lancer kick in the throat. Okay, hold on, wait, we need to breathe. Wait, we need to take a quick breather right quick. We need to take a quick breather.
Take a breather.
Take a breather. Hold on, don't do nothing yet. Don't do nothing yet.